Hi, this is John with WTI, and I got right here with me a great option if you're really trying to get a better alternative from soda or any sweetened drinks, and you're really trying to get away from it for a moment. This is the Zevia tea, cold sweetened tea of passion fruit. And the things that I like from here is that one, 0 calories, two, low in sugar by saying no sugar at all. And if you're just trying to maybe do a little cut, or maybe you're trying to go easy on your calories, I have a big trip coming up. So the fact that I have to keep going down on calories so I can eat more there, it's a good option and it's convenient for me. So the flavor, it's really nice. It's nice, low and sweet, but it has a little sweet. But at the same time, you can feel the passion fruit here with the tea. So it's a convenient, cold, great beverage that you can have, and it just tastes really good. So this was John with WTI, and that was my point of view.